Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab meat dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and 6 ounces of crab meat. For flavor, grab a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This combination creates a rich, savory base for our delicious dip. Now, let's create the creamy base for our dip. In a large bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of mayonnaise. Add 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix these ingredients together until they are completely smooth and well blended. This forms the perfect foundation for your crab dip. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient, the crab meat. Gently fold 6 ounces of drained crab meat into your creamy mixture. Be careful not to break up the crab too much. Once combined, spoon the dip into a small baking dish. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's bubbly and lightly golden. Your warm, bubbly crab dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with a variety of dippers. Toasted baguette slices, sturdy crackers, or fresh vegetable sticks like celery and carrots are excellent choices. For an extra touch, sprinkle some fresh chopped parsley or chives over the top before serving. This dip is perfect for gatherings or a cozy night in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.